The last topic is shift in equilibrium. Shift in equilibrium means, can equilibrium point be shifted or equilibrium level of output be shifted? Yes. It happens in case when additional investment is introduced in the economy. Means whatever the investment we were doing earlier, now we are doing more investment than that. Means we are adding into the initial investment, that is known as additional investment or change in I. This delta I represents additional investment or increase in investment. Clear? If there is increase in the investment earlier, then level of aggregate demand also increases, because investment is a component of AD. And if investment increases, a level of investment increases, then also aggregate demand increases. Clear? And it will affect the shift in the equilibrium. Like here in the diagram we are showing on the OX axis we are representing income and GDP. On the OX axis we are representing income and GDP, and on the OY axis we are representing aggregate supply and aggregate demand. Clear? Now see here, income is a AS curve, which is a 45-degree line with the origin. AD is the initial aggregate demand with consumption and investment. So E is our initial equilibrium point. Clear? Now if investment is increased by the additional investment, means in the economy some more investment is introduced, then what will happen? Investment would increase, and if investment increases, then aggregate demand also increases. So the curve, AD curve, will shift from AD to AD1. This is the AD1 curve. This is the new aggregate demand after the introduction of additional investment in the economy. Clear? Now this is the new aggregate demand curve, and E1 is the new equilibrium point where AS and AD1 are intersecting each other. Clear? So earlier E was the equilibrium point, now it is shifted to E1. At E we were having the equilibrium output OL, but at E1 we are having the equilibrium output OM. So this is the shift in equilibrium, that due to additional investment the equilibrium level of output also increases. Means increase in investment leads to increase in equilibrium level of output also, and equilibrium also shifts upward. Clear? Here point E is the initial equilibrium where AD is equal to C plus I and equilibrium GDP is OL, and E1 is the new equilibrium when AD is equal to C plus I plus additional investment. Clear? And here equilibrium GDP is M. It shows the impact of additional investment, that with increase in investment or additional investment aggregate demand also increases and equilibrium shifts upward, and equilibrium level of output also increases. So this is the concept of shift in equilibrium.